What's good, fam? Yo, so you guys see it in the title and the thumbnail, man, what we're about to be talking about. I'm about to show you guys exactly how to get one of these exactly the way you want it. And you see I just did the nice little wrap. Shout out to my boy Nick, Vivid Restorations, for helping me out with that. We got the carbon fiber lip, as you guys see, carbon fiber side skirts, you know what I'm saying, the red calipers, satin black wrap on the hood and the trunk as well, the carbon fiber wing. Some of it I did myself, some of it got from the factory, but that's the whole point of today's video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get exactly what you want from the factory, and maybe I'll give you guys some tips on the things that you want to get and the things that you can do yourself, or maybe we'll do that in another video. But first things first, you guys already know what we about to do. Get this a little cold start. Wrap on the tail lights as well. And we might have some other things coming as well. I know I told you guys I am gonna be selling this. Hold up. And I am still gonna be selling it, but that doesn't mean I can't do a few more things to it. You know what I'm saying? Increase the value a little bit. We got videos coming on that as well, how you can increase the value of your vehicle. But first things first, man, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get the Dodge Charger spec that you want. The exact spec that you want, the exact spec that you need, because you see we got them Bloody Mary seats chilling right on top of Billy the Bee right there. He's just chilling, man, kicking it. You guys see the kid. I always wanted red seats, man, so I had to get one with the red seats and everything I wanted, everything I needed in it, and that's exactly what I did. So if that's what you want to do, stay tuned, because we're going to be going through all of that and a little bit more. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it greatly. It helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. If you want to see the boy grow, you want to see bigger and better things on the channel, quicker, faster, go ahead and do me that favor, man. I really do appreciate it. Without further ado, we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get right to it. Let's do it. First things first though, we got to go to a little spot with some shade, you know what I'm saying, that way I ain't all sweaty. I usually do it right there, but I don't feel like burning up in the car today, and I don't feel like, excuse me, and I don't feel like having the GoPro overheat. So let's go to a little spot where we could get some shade. You see the business right there, the guys, LouieXIII Coast Movers, man. If you guys need anything moved, hit them up. God damn it, shut your dumb ass up, man. All right, we found a nice piece of shade right here. This might be this might be the new spot for when we do these type of videos, because this is nice. I'm used to sweating and burning up. Usually it feels like a sauna when I do these type of videos, because I stay in the same spot and the sun's just beaming down on me. The GoPro overheats. So we'll see how long the GoPro could last on this one. It's gonna be a quick video anyways, and like I said, we're gonna get right to it. So without further ado, let me show you guys, man. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to the Dodge website, the Dodge official website. And this is just so you can see what you want. This isn't where you're gonna order the vehicle itself. This is just so you can see all the options. You know, you could put it on the car. You could actually put it on the car, see how it looks. So this is where you're gonna go to do that. You're not gonna order it off of the site because you want to get the best deal possible. And the way you do that, I'll tell you guys in a minute. But it seems, make this summer event, no monthly payments for 90 days plus 0% APR for 72 months, or $2,000 retail consumer cash on 2021 Charger SRT Hellcat wide body models when financed through Chrysler Capital. Oh, they're having a little deal on the Hellcats, huh? Okay. All right, so you see right here, this is where you want to go. Just type in Dodge Charger into Google and then go to the official Dodge site, and then you're going to want to go over here, build and price, boom. And you can look at all the offers right here. You know, you can see everything they're offering in your area. And then boom, you want to go down here. So say you want a Scat Pack wide body, because this is what I got, you know, this is what I'm rolling in. So that's what we're gonna do it on, a Scat Pack wide body. So boom, you click on the Scat Pack wide body. It'll tell you all the leasing and financing. You know, you could calculate your payments with the down payments and all this and that. That's not really what this video is about, but you know, might as well show you since it's right here. All right, so you click on it, you see right here, this is where you're gonna start building it. This is where you could look at all the colors, see what you like. Do you like the gray, the triple nickel? Do you like the indigo blue? And this is exactly what I did. This is the exact process that I went through while getting my car, you know, to see what I wanted. They got the hell raisin, they got the granite crystal. That's the one that I got. Everybody always asks me, what color do you have on the Scat, bro? It's so beautiful, it's so nice. That's the one right there, granite crystal. So you see triple nickel. They got smoke show now. They didn't have smoke show when I was getting my car. I might have got smoke show, but honestly, I don't know. I'm kind of glad I went with the granite crystal. Indigo blue was another nice one that I was looking at. You know, indigo blue is pretty dope. They have a lot of different colors. So you can see right here, I'm gonna go with the granite crystal because that's what I got. All right, so from there you go down and you see you could add some stripes. You can add a satin hood, which it already has a satin hood on it. And this is easier to do on the computer. So if you have a computer or a laptop or something, I'd recommend doing it on that. But you guys get the idea. So you go through here and the satin black hood, roof, and trunk and spoiler, $3,400 option, guys. That is absolutely crazy. You know what I'm saying? I got a video coming up very soon. I wouldn't recommend getting that done because I just did that myself and I didn't pay no $3,500. I'll tell you that right now. So stay tuned for the video where I take you guys through and give you guys some tips and tricks on what you need to get and what you don't need to get. You know, to have a good solid vehicle that's going to hold its value better and not depreciate as much, I'm going to take you guys through the exact steps on how you want to do that. But yeah, you guys see it right here. If you want to do the dual carbon stripes, which also I wouldn't recommend, but we'll get to that video. And you can't really see it on the granite crystal too much. You know, it doesn't show too much on the granite crystal as you guys already seen on my car. But you know, colors like that, like the smoke show, you could really see it. I mean, that looks sick. You could decide what you want. I prefer the hood, roof, and trunk, but like I said, I wouldn't recommend doing that out the factory. But all right, we're gonna keep going from here. Go with that. I'm not gonna pick that option. And you could get a painted hood as well, which I also wouldn't recommend. And then boom, you could select which wheels you want, either the 20-inch Devil's rim or the 20-inch carbon black aluminum, which is $1,295 option. You see they got the red brake calipers. Boom, you could do that there, or you could do it yourself. They got the locking lug nuts. You know, they got all season performance tires or the front and rear 3-season tires. You got the gloss black painted roof. Boom, you got all the options to go through. You got the plus package, you know what I'm saying, where you could get red interior, you could get caramel interior, and I think that's all they got now. What? They used to have a blue interior as well, I believe, and an orange, so I don't know what happened to that. So yeah, you could either get that, which comes with the plus package, or you could just go with the good old standard cloth, which, wow, look at the difference on that. That's a difference right there. Yeah, you don't want that. You don't want that cloth, man. You don't want that cloth. I'm gonna tell you right now, the plus obviously is gonna be one of the ways to go. But okay, continuing on, you could go with the Uconnect nav or without the nav. They got the Harman Kardon, they got the sunroof, cargo net, and then different packages. This already, you see the plus group, $2,000 package. They got the technology group, they got the carbon suede interior package, they got the driver convenience group, navigation, interior. And you guys are gonna go through all this once you go into the dealership. That's actually where you're gonna get this done. Right here, you're just going through it, so you already know what you want. You already looked at it all. You don't have to waste time. You know, you're gonna go in there, tell them exactly what you want. He's gonna be like, oh, this guy did his research. And they're gonna know you know what you're talking about. You know you ain't no fresh fish just coming straight out the water. They're gonna get a little hint that, oh, maybe I ain't gonna be able to take advantage of this guy the way that I would like to.
That's what she said.
It always helps to go in and, you know what you want, know what you're looking for, to have done your research. It helps a lot, actually. And I made a video on how to negotiate before. Maybe I'll do an updated one since I'm a little better at making the videos now. Back then, I was barely getting started, so the video was, you know, I kind of dragged it on longer than I needed to. So maybe I'll make an updated video on that one. But after you do all of that, and this is the real reason why you want to do it as well. So you look at all the packages you want, and then you're able to see the net price. You could see the finance estimate, and you could see the lease estimate. And then you could calculate, you could do all the calculations. You know, you could put what down payment you are planning to put in there and see what it's going to cost with all that. So boom, that is exactly why you want to do it through the phone or through the computer. You could do it either way. You could see exactly what it looks like before you even go in there. So that's the first step. Once we get that out the way, then what you want to do, obviously this part isn't part of this video, but I'll let you know, you want to look around and call around, man. But once you find the right dealership, you're gonna go through that whole process. That's the whole negotiating process, calling around, asking for prices, trying to get the best price that you can. And right now it's very difficult, man. I'm filming this video currently where the car market is crazy, and I don't know, I'm pretty sure you could still order. I've heard of people still ordering cars right now. It probably will just take a whole lot longer than it would regularly, so just be prepared for that. But right now it's currently July 22nd, so I don't know when you're watching this video, whoever you are, but right now, July 22nd, the car market is crazy. I don't recommend buying a car right now, but this is just for, you know, whenever. It's not specifically for right now, so I'm making this video just, you know, in general. You know, this is how you do it. This is how you get exactly what you're looking for on a car. So after you do that on the phone or on the computer, you go through all the specs that you want, go through the packages, see what it looks like, see the financing, calculate all that. Then once you find the dealership that you like, you go in there and basically you just tell them that you're looking to get so-and-so vehicle, Charger, wide body, Scat Pack, Hellcat, RT, whatever you're looking for, Challenger, you know, whatever it is you're looking for. This isn't just for a Challenger or a Charger. It could be for any car, a Ford Mustang, you know, whatever. Camaro, Z01, GT, you know, whatever you're looking for, man, a Lamborghini, whatever. You go into the dealership and tell them that you want to order a vehicle. You want to custom order a vehicle. And if they tell you they can't do that, then either tell them, yo, can I talk to somebody else here, or just go to a different dealership because they're full of shit. And you can do that. So go to a dealership that does allow you to do that, because if they tell you they don't do that or you can't do that, they're full of crap, man. This is exactly how I did it. I ordered it the way I wanted it. I negotiated the price before and after. You know, I negotiated the price, because that's what dealerships do. You know, they'll tell you a certain price, and then once you get down to the paperwork, they're trying to throw different numbers at you. So while I ordered it, I negotiated a price, you know, got it in signing, because you are going to put $1,000 down. And if you don't decide to go with the vehicle, it depends on the person, but you usually won't get that back. You know, it depends on the dealer, it depends on the person you're working with. Usually you won't get that $1,000 back. But I negotiated the price before, when I ordered it, and afterwards, when, you know, it was there, I had looked at it, we were going through all the paperwork. Just be prepared for that, because dealerships will try to do that stuff on you too. So once you find the dealership, you let them know that you're trying to custom order a vehicle. They'll take you in the little room, you know, they'll go through all the options. You already know exactly what you want, so you could tell them, boom, 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 this is what I want, this is the price I'm looking for, this is how much I want to pay. I already talked to so-and-so, they said they'd offer me this. What can you offer me? You know, this is a whole part of the negotiating process that I'm taking you guys through, giving you a little extra nuggets to go with, you know, the video that we're doing here. But we'll get more into that in a separate video. But in the meantime, if you guys want to go check out the one I already have put out when I just got started with YouTube, you could go check that out. Just like I said, be prepared for a video that gets dragged on a little bit, but there's some good information in that video nonetheless. A good book that I recommend in there that really helped me out when it came to negotiating, the whole negotiating process. So, but once you go through that whole process, you know, you tell them what you want, negotiate the price. That's pretty much it. You know, that's how you get exactly what you want on the car that you want. And then from there, you know, we'll get into the separate video. Like I said, I'm going to take you through what you should do on a vehicle, and it could be for more than just the Charger, because they offer different things on different vehicles. Some things that are going to be better to get through the factory, and some things that are going to be better to do on your own. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for that video coming very, very soon. Might be the next video I drop, we'll see, but I'm going to drop that very, very soon. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I get a lot of people asking me how I custom ordered my vehicle, exactly how I want it. So I figured I'd make this video. Came a little late because people have been asking me that since the very beginning. So a year later, here we are. Finally made this video. It's been a long time coming. But like I said, hopefully it helped you guys out. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. All links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need. The 1391 merch. As you can see, I haven't been wearing the merch lately because I'm kind of revamping it, making things a little better, just tweaking a couple things. And I got some new stuff dropping very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. Everything I use and recommend is down below in the description. The camera setup, the GoPro I'm using right now, how I have it all propped up on the window right here. Everything I'm using, man, the radar detector, everything. But I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys real soon. Until the next time, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.